After that story I shared about the buyer who realized na hindi pala niya kaya ang waiting game, gusto ko lang idagdag ito. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi maganda ang pre-selling. Actually, maraming buyers ang nagbe-benefit dito. Mas mababang enterprise, flexible payment terms, mas mataas na potential appreciation over time. But here's the real key. The best pre-selling property is not just about price. It's about alignment. Alignment sa budget mo, timeline mo, goals mo, lifestyle mo. Kasi kapag tama yung match, yung waiting becomes exciting eh. Hindi siya stress, hindi siya regret, hindi siya doubt. As a licensed real estate broker, lagi ko sinasabi sa client ko, hindi tayo bumibili lang ng property. Bumibili tayo ng future lifestyle. So, ang goal, hindi lang makabili ka ng pre-selling. Ang goal is makabili ka ng property na kaya mong panindigan hanggang turnover at masaya ka pa rin habang hinihintay ito. If you want help comparing pre-selling RFO or resale options based on your goals, lifestyle, and budget, message me. I will help you choose the right one, not just the available one.